All right, 8540 Elm Road. Most cities have an Elm Road. Usually they're nice. Not in Richmond. A couple things. We're gonna go look at a house that we're gonna wholesale. But check this out. A yard sign from a company I've never heard of. We're gonna definitely make an offer on this one. Hey, you gotta blank all this shit out so nobody can see who it is. But get a shot of this. Like, you talk about incredible placement of your yard sign, like up against a tree so none of the ongoing traffic can see it. All right, so we're standing in front of Elm Road. We're gonna show you some pictures of the befores here. Our construction manager looked at this house and, like, if there's a problem, this house has got it. It's got soft floors, it's got water, it's got mold, it's got all kinds of stuff. So what you have to be very, very careful of is, what is it going to cost you to physically renovate the house? Most people will do a renovation budget from 2013 when things were way cheaper. But right now it's incredibly expensive to do a fix and flip. So what we do in many instances is we just wholesale it. Someone who's gonna do the work themselves, roll up their sleeves and build what's called some sweat equity will buy this house from us, but we just can't justify it because the market is so hot, there's so little inventory, and frankly, it's just too much of a headache. So we're gonna wholesale it and move on. Are there any questions you have on, I have this property under contract, how do I wholesale it? Put it down here, we'd be happy to help you answer it.